One of the things that you need to understand about Lizzy is the difference between web categories and primary categories. To explain this, I'm going to look up a part here that happens to have both. You can see the web categories here at the top and then the primary category here below it. Now, the web categories can be a multitude of different things. In other words, I could have something set up as a glove and then apparel, and then we could also have it categorized as apparel, gloves, ATV glove, whatever it happens to be. We can have a lot of different ways of categorizing that particular item. However, in order to do price matrices, 20 group reports, accounting differentiations between what account to hit based on the type of the part that particular item is, all of these things require a single category that is going to be the primary category that all of that stuff runs off of. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a primary category, but you do need to kind of understand that there is a difference between web categories and primary categories, and that primary category is the most important one out of everything that you would assign to a particular item. Now, to actually assign a primary category, you can do it one of two ways. You can either edit the part record. So once you locate a part, you can edit the record and then come down here and we have the primary category here. Or if you want to do it in groups of items, what we would do is go over here to management, assign categories, the same thing that we did when we were assigning web categories. And we're going to select this option here for setting up selling department and primary categories. And then from here we can select the selling department and or the primary category that we want to assign to the items. So as an example, if I wanted to only do a single item, we would just select that particular item and then we would give it an ending value because we happen to have a couple in there. We run the query, we select the primary category that that particular item is going to be assigned to, and then we hit the process button here for Lizzy to go out and do that assignment. Now, all of these assignment processes are all done in the background, so it could take a few minutes before you actually see the changes take place. And if you happen to change the category from, say, apparel to batteries, and you've got account numbers tied to those things where Lizzy's supposed to be hitting the accounting different depending on what type of part we're working with, Lizzy will actually move those parts from the original inventory account into the new inventory account when the change is made. So as you can see, it works a lot the same as the way that we did the web store categories, but it is a different process. So if you're using price matrices, 20 group reports, or accounting processes, make sure that you are assigning the correct category to the particular item, because this is the category that's used for all of those different things.